damn.
No. Another one.
Can anyone catch Milangeli? Oh, maybe somebody can! Is that our cameraman? He's matching him stride for stride! He's run the whole race with that camera on his shoulder! Just incredible!
I got this!